Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Truecaller for spam call blocking privacy tips, beginner guide. To begin, ensure you have the Truecaller app installed on your device. If you haven't downloaded it yet, visit the App Store or Google Play Store and search for Truecaller. Once you find the app, tap on the install button to start the download process. After the app has finished downloading, open it from your home screen. You will be greeted with a welcome screen. Tap on Get Started to proceed. Next, you will need to sign up for an account. You can use your phone number to create an account. Enter your phone number and tap on Continue. Truecaller will send you an SMS with a verification code. Input the code you received to verify your phone number. Once verified, you will have the option to customize your profile. You can add your name and a profile picture if you wish. After completing your profile, you will be directed to the main interface of the app. Tap on it to view the different subscription options available. Select a plan that suits your needs. You can choose monthly, yearly, or lifetime subscriptions. After selecting a plan, proceed to the payment section. Enter your payment details to complete the subscription process. Once your payment is processed, you will gain access to premium features. To manage your spam call settings, go to the Settings menu within the app. Look for the Caller ID and Spam section. Ensure that the spam blocking feature is enabled. You can also customize your blocking preferences here. To maintain your privacy, adjust the visibility settings in the Privacy section. You can choose whether to appear in search results or remain unlisted. Finally, familiarize yourself with the app's interface to make the most of its features. You are now ready to block spam calls effectively while ensuring your privacy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.